Not on the ground, we're going to clean. Get all these coconuts down, husk them, grate them all out, sand them back, polish them. And of course by then I'm very frustrated. Just as well that I'm very patient. Because I get to do all the fittings. Too small. Too big. Not big enough. Well, I'll find you the right coconut shell. Get it super side here. And I'll even give you fries with that. Remember, always the bottom end of the coconut shell, and of course, folks, the opposite end, you can make ukuleles. You might see them in the craft shops. Me, I don't like making ukuleles. What I do is I carve out a little circular disc, put a couple of slots in them, sand them back, polish them up, and I'll use them for my sarongs. Tie on my deal. So make a nice little oyster shell buckles that you girls might see in the craft shops around there. Similar to your necklace, my sister, but more circular. You have 2 slots. I'll make a whole heap of those and start experimenting with my girls. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I like that. Yeah. So remember, always the bottom end coconut shell, never the horrible face. Okay. And that's the end of our first show. And you're all welcome.